Do you ever feel like your skincare routine is either too complicated or not giving you the results you expected? If you've been struggling with sensitive, oily, acne-prone skin, especially after you've moved abroad, changed climates, then today's video is especially for you. I'm breaking down 5 essential steps every woman over 35 needs to get right, because this is the stage when our skin starts to show early signs of aging, and these essentials can help you manage and combat them for healthy glowing skin. And just so you know, I've put together a free ageless glow starter kit that you can download in the description. It has product recommendations and quick tips you can use right away. It also includes my personal note on how I actually use these products, which kind of formulations I would pick in different climates, what's worked for my own sensitive skin, and just how I adjust things in real life. So this isn't something copy pasted from the internet. It's basically coming from my own trial, error, and experience. And on that note, let's begin with essential number 1, gentle cleanser. So I want you to think of your skin like a sponge. A clean sponge easily soaks anything or everything you pour onto it. But once it's clogged, nothing really gets through. And our skin behaves in a very similar way. If it's covered with makeup, sweat, or pollution, the products you apply afterward just sit on the surface instead of being absorbed. You know, when you move between cities, countries, or even continents, your skin is getting exposed to very different climates. In humid weather, sweat and excess oil sit on the surface. In cold or dry weather, it's layers of dryness and buildup. That's why the right cleanser matters. It needs to be gentle enough to respect your skin's barrier, but also effective enough to keep up with these changing conditions. Look for labels that say low pH, gentle, or microbiome safe. Some good examples are Cetaphil Gentle Skin Cleanser, CeraVe Cream to Foam Hydrating Cleanser, or if you wear makeup, always double cleanse with an oil-based cleanser first. This small step makes a big difference in how your moisturizers and serums actually work. And I have included my personal tested cleanser recommendations in the free Ageless Glow Starter Kit you can download below. Next essential is your moisturizer. If you have sensitive, acne-prone, or oily skin, don't skip your moisturizer. Yes, even you. Your skin still needs barrier support. A moisturizer with ceramides and probiotics helps repair your skin barrier, lock in hydration, and reduce sensitivity. Now, if you're prone to acne, look for moisturizers that have salicylic acid in it. They'll keep pores clear while calming your skin. For example, Vichy Phyto Solution Double Correction Moisturizer is great if you like lightweight texture, while La Roche-Posay Cicaplast Balm B 5+ and Ileone ceramide-based creams are amazing if your skin feels irritated or compromised. I personally rotate between the lightweight moisturizers and rich, creamy moisturizers depending on the weather I'm in. The third and honestly the most important, most essential step is sunscreen. Research shows that up to 80% of visible aging, including pigmentation, fine lines, and wrinkles, happens because of UV-induced photoaging. So yes, this step is non-negotiable. Every single day, be it sunny, cloudy, rainy, if you're sitting indoors in front of a window, you need sun protection every single day, because without it, even your serums, the most expensive ones, even they won't show any results. I've personally shifted from chemical sunscreens to physical sunscreens. Some favorites I currently use are Cetaphil Sheer Mineral SPF 50 if you want minimal white cast, or Madagascar Centella Airfit Sun Cream for a lightweight feel. One thing to note, however, with physical sunscreens, you do get a slight white cast. But with the small adjustments like cleaning your hairline, eyebrows with tissues, or layering makeup on top, it can be easily concealed. If you're someone on the hunt for physical mineral sunscreens and you haven't tried these options yet, I can tell you from my experience, the white cast is still manageable. Essential number 4 is retinol or retinal, the anti-aging hero. If you're 35+, this is the ingredient that really works behind the scenes to boost collagen, smooth fine lines, and even out texture. But here's the catch, you have to go slow. Start with encapsulated or plant-based options like bakuchiol if you're new. Use it just once or twice a week at night and then build up from there. I did a whole video on retinols for beginners. If you want, you can check that out. There is a whole lot of valuable information that will help you. Some products I like include the Bare Minerals Phyto Retinol, Paula's Choice Retinol plus bakuchiol treatment, or Iope Retinol Super Bounce Serum. Yes, it can cause mild dryness or purging in the beginning, but if you introduce it carefully, it becomes one of the most powerful steps in your skincare routine. Essential number 5, antioxidant serum. Something like vitamin C, which we have known for many years now. It protects your skin from free radical damage, brightens, and helps even out tone. For Indian skin tones that are prone to pigmentation, vitamin C or newer alternatives like Melasyl, glutathione, kojic acid, or alpha-arbutin can make a big difference. Now, if you don't like layering too many products, go with a moisturizer infused with vitamin C in it. For example, Garnier Vitamin C Serum Cream is budget friendly, and Banish Vitamin C Cream is is hydrating but still lightweight. I have mentioned only 2 vitamin C options here, but in the starter kit you will find more choices. All personally tested and curated by me based on what works best for oily, sensitive and acne-prone skin. Now that you know all the 5 essentials, how do you go about layering them? It's actually simpler than it looks. Just 4 steps in the morning and 3 steps at night. For morning, step 1 cleanser, step 2 vitamin C serum, step 3 moisturizer and step 4 sunscreen. For night, a step 1 cleanser. If you wear makeup, go for double cleansing. Step 2 retinol or retinal based serum. Step 3 moisturizer. And that's it. Simple layering for maximum results without overwhelming your skin. And yes, if you nail these 5 basic essentials, you don't need a 10-step skincare routine. And it's coming from me, someone who loves and enjoys multiple step skincare routines. These 5 essentials will carry you through most skin concerns, especially if you've moved places, cities, countries, continents, and your skin is adjusting to new climates. I've put all of this together in the free Ageless Glow Starter Kit. You will find product recommendations, tips, and quick references to keep your routine simple but effective. You can download it from the link in the description. I would love to know your feedback on it, what you think about it, and also if there is a step from these 5 essentials that you've been doing consistently, and if there is one that you struggle with. Drop your answer in the comments. I would love to chat with you there. And on that note, this is Neha signing off. I'll see you all in my next video. Until then, stay consistent, stay glowing, stay tuned, and stay beautiful.